In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an offer on Opensea. We'll start right from the home page and walk through every click so you know exactly what to expect. First, head to opensea.io. From the main dashboard, look to the left side of the screen and open the collections area. This is the best place to browse projects all in one place. You'll see a filter by panel that helps you narrow things down. Start with category to focus on what you care about: art, music, gaming, and more. Then choose chains to make sure you're browsing items on the network you actually want to use. This matters because your offer needs to be in a currency supported by that chain. If you don't want to filter, you can also scroll the list of featured and trending collections, or head to the search bar and type the exact collection name. Once you spot the collection you're interested in, click it to open the collection page. Inside the collection, look for the buy option. This opens the purchase and offer tray for items in that collection. If the collection supports it, you'll be able to choose how many items you want to work with. Next, select the specific items you want to make an offer on. You can select multiple at once. Take a moment to compare traits, recent sale prices, and the floor price, so your offer is realistic and more likely to be accepted. When your selection looks good, click Make Offers. You'll see a field where you can enter the offer amount. This is typically the price per item. Make sure you're entering the amount in the correct currency for the chain you chose earlier. It's a good idea to double check your wallet balance before proceeding so you don't run into issues when finalizing. Now set how long the offer should remain active by clicking on days. Choose a duration that gives sellers a fair window to respond without leaving your funds tied up longer than necessary. Finally, click Review Offers. This summary shows the items you've selected, the offer amount, the total exposure, and the expiration. Read everything carefully. If your marketplace or wallet asks for a quick approval or signature, that's normal. It simply authorizes the offer so it can go live. Once you confirm, your offer is submitted and visible to the item owners. That's it. You've browsed collections, filtered by what matters, selected the items you want, set your price and duration, and reviewed before sending. Follow these steps each time, adjust your offer based on market data, and you'll be making competitive offers on Opensea with confidence.